In this video, I'll show you where to get promo codes for Swoop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser, go to Google, and then once you're inside Google, in the search box, type in promo codes for Swoop, and then hit search, and then you'll be brought to the Google search results. And now, as you can see, we've got Real Tell Me Not, Swoop coupons, we've got We Thrift It, Deal Spot, Worth the Penny. So you can check out any one of these sites to get promo code deals. So I'm going to check out the one from Worth the Penny, 50% off Swoop. And now once I've clicked into here, you can see here today's best offer is 35% off, and it's verified. So as you can see, 102 people have used this code with an 80% success rate. So you can see a bit of stats about it. So to activate these codes do change daily or weekly. So be sure to check them out every so often. So I'm going to click on loading coupon. I'm going to click on the enjoy huge savings at the top here like never before. So I'm going to click onto that. And now I'm going to copy this code and now paste this code at the checkout section of Swoop to enjoy my 35% off my flight ticket.